In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to manage your contacts in Notion. We're going to walk through a simple way to set up a contacts database using a ready-made template from the Notion marketplace. By the end, you'll have a clean, organized place to store and track all of your personal or professional contacts without having to build everything from scratch. Start by opening Notion on your computer or in your browser. On the left-hand sidebar, look for the option labeled Templates. Depending on your version, this might appear directly in the sidebar or under a section like Browse Templates or Templates and More. Go ahead and click that. This will open the Notion template gallery, where you can find pre-built pages and databases for all kinds of use cases. Next, you'll be taken to the main marketplace view. At the top of this page, you should see a search bar. Click into that search field. This is where you can quickly find exactly what you need instead of scrolling through everything. Now, type in the phrase contact list into the search bar. As you type, Notion will start showing you template suggestions related to contact management, customer relationship management, or personal CRM. Press enter or select the search suggestion so the full set of results loads. Once the results appear, take a moment to scan through the different templates. You'll usually see a title, a short description, and maybe a preview image. Look for one that mentions contact list or personal CRM, and that seems to match what you need, whether that's simple contact storage or something a little more advanced. When you find a template you like, click on it to open its detail page. On the template page, you'll see more information about how it works, along with a live preview. This is a great time to quickly check if it includes the kind of fields you want, like name, email, phone number, company, or notes. If it looks good, find the button that says Add or Use this template. Click that button. Notion